What's up, friends? Are you looking for a custom LED sign that you can do for your channel, your brand, or for your business? This is a LED sign from Amazon that was super easy to set up, and I've had it for over 3 months now. You can completely customize it, including adding spaces, your own, obviously the own words that you want to actually put on the sign. And then you can also customize things like how many colors it has and how many options you get with the actual remote. So this one here, we can change the intensity of the light. I can change basically how often it's flashing and the speed and stuff like that, but it's not actually going to change 2 different colors, but you can actually grab the option on Amazon that allows you to change colors. So there are a lot of different options. So yeah, you got different brightness levels. You got these quick settings, so you can make it really bright, or you can set it down to like 10%. It'll be dimmed. You can also control the brightness this way. But as far as colors go, this one is only one color. It does have options that, like I was saying, for signs that basically you can upgrade, and you can get signs that are multiple colors. This one does have different modes though, like different flashing modes. So it's got that option. I like to just leave it on the solid color option because there are a lot of different flickering options. I'm just going through all the different modes until I get back around to the beginning. And if you want it to stop flashing, just hit the light button in the center and then it stops flashing. Thank goodness. I was really starting to, I don't like the flashing lights. So being able to press that solid button there, just make it a solid light is what I prefer. But looking at the actual LEDs up close, they're just strip lights, nothing fancy, but they look really good in the background of videos. If maybe you've got like Zoom calls, or you've got videos that you're recording for YouTube or TikTok or something, these signs look absolutely amazing. I think that, the yellow really pops out, stands out, but they offer so many different color options: red, green, blue, many different. And then there are even some where they let you choose the color, like I mentioned before. So super easy to hang and set up. I literally just put a screw in the wall, and then it comes with this chain. These holes were already pre-drilled, pre-made, and the pricing depends on how long it actually is. So if you only have something that might be like 4 letters, then it's going to be a lot more affordable. But if you've got something that is like multiple letters, like you're doing a wedding and it's got like many names and tons of letters, it's obviously going to be a bit more. That makes sense in my mind, that it would basically fit the price of exactly how big it is. And so you can also choose the cutout of this. You can make it a solid shape, or you can do what I did and have it kind of curve to the text as well. I think that that makes it look a little bit more professional and everything as well. You can choose the type of background. I chose a transparent background. There's holes on the bottom here for mounting. There's multiple ways that you could mount this. And then as far as the cord goes, I have it kind of hidden the best that I can behind here, but then it just plugs in essentially to the wall right here. And the receiver is right down here. So this is what I have to point the remote at. But overall, the actual customization of the sign was great. I got to see what it was going to look like before I actually grabbed it. So that made a big difference to be able to actually visualize what this is going to look like finished and hung before I actually ordered it and everything, which was nice. So hopefully this gives you a good impression of this light. I've had it for 3 months now, and I have 0 complaints. It's worked every single time that I've used it. I've had it left on for several hours, 6 to 8 hours at a time sometimes while I'm filming. So, it's got definitely some longevity. I haven't had any issues with it. And I really appreciate the quality of this sign and the fact that it is budget friendly as well. So hopefully you get value from this and you enjoy it as much as I do, and you have a great rest of your day.